Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could recover your lost data or deleted data using MyRecover software. So here there are two different scenarios. The first scenario, you are trying to recover deleted or lost data from the hard disk of a computer. So you have your computer in usage, you have lost the data, and you have lost it from the local disk C or from any other partition. The second scenario is that you have lost your data from an external drive, an SD card, an external SSD or hard disk, or even a USB flash drive. So for the second scenario, you need to make sure that your device is plugged to your computer, and we will start and run our software, the MyRecover. As you can see, the user interface is very simple and nice. Here we are trying to locate the device from which we are trying to recover the data. So for me personally, this is the SD card where I have lost the data. In your case, it might be a USB flash drive or the computer hard disk. So make sure to select the right device. So I'll just click on my device and we will wait a few seconds to a few minutes. Here we are going to select deleted files and other missing files, and we will wait until the scan is over. So as you can see, once it says scan completed below, we're going to proceed with the recovery. So here we're going to click on this little arrow and see the files. So in this file, there are these multiple files and documents which we can recover. All what you need to do, click recover files, select the device where you want to save them. Make sure that it's not the device from which they were lost. Otherwise the recovery won't work properly. And the recovery process will start. As you can see, all the recovery has been done and it says clearly 9 files recovered successfully. And here I have the location where they have been saved. I will just click on it. And here it has recovered deleted files. And on the other one, other missing files. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.